So when it came to, again, choosing universities, I went to 2 different open days and saw the campus and got a feel for the university. But on results day, I didn't get the results I needed for Warwick. So I then came to Cardiff. But it turns out it was the best decision I think that ever happened to me. Now that I've actually been to university, I realised that I prefer a city campus because there's so much more going on. And I wanted a bit more of a quicker pace. So yeah, Cardiff was the best choice in the end, actually. So I'm glad I came here.
I just found that Cardiff was quite a friendly place, especially for medicine, but I think in general as well, but some of the ones I've been on open days I didn't apply to, and I think that's just as important. If you go on an open day and don't like it, I think that's almost also a positive, because then you just know that it's not right for you.
I went to a few open days, the campuses were all very snazzy, it looked great, and I was sort of struck on a campus uni. Came along for my interview and all I did was walk into the building and everyone was so friendly and I absolutely loved it. Actually really glad it's not such a campus university because you get to experience the city as a whole and you're intermingled with the rest of the community, and I really like that. You get much more of a realistic feel rather than being closed off.
And I also came to the Step Up Summer School when I was in year 10, and I really liked the fact that it was a city campus and I just felt like it was really student friendly.
For me, location wasn't a huge thing, although I've ended up personally quite close to home. I didn't actually see that as a huge problem for me. I think the most important thing for me was the course structure. It's different in every single university. Some are very traditional and some, like Cardiff, are quite integrated, so they're newer courses.